Yeah, so what's up, my beautiful people? As you guys all know, Phenom just launched today. It just launched today, and for people who have registered, in case you don't really understand how the website works, I'm here just to explain to you guys exactly how the Phenom website works. Now, once you log in, your account is going to look like this. Yours might say $0 in case you haven't registered any person. You understand? But this is just one of my small accounts. I want to use it to do a tutorial for you guys to teach you exactly how these things work. Now, if your account is like this, now you will see these three buttons where you see withdrawal, daily task, quiz, and upgrade. Now, I will start from the withdrawal. Okay, once I click on the withdrawal, it's gonna take me straight to my withdrawal form. You can see here where it says the sales wallet and the task wallet. Now the sales wallet simply means the referral commission that you are earning. You understand? That is your sales wallet. Why the task wallet means the money you are accumulating every day. You understand? That is the task wallet basically. So I just want to break it down so you can understand everything. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. Once I go back, I'm gonna go back, then I'm gonna click on daily task. Okay, I know this is where a lot of you will focus on, and this is what a lot of you might have been searching for, but you don't know where to find it. Now on the daily task, you can see when I clicked on it, it showed me these two face. It shows me Phenom claim or reward rush. Man, please don't click on this Phenom claim. Okay, instead click on reward rush, because this is where they're gonna reward you for the task you complete. Now once you click on withdraw reward rush, it's gonna take you to this interface. You can see here where it says reveal reward. What happens most time is once you click on reveal reward, you can see it says error, you claimed your reward today. This is because I already claimed my reward. But yours, if you haven't claimed your reward, it's going to take you to somewhere else. Maybe it can take you to someone's YouTube channel to subscribe. And that reminds me, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel and this is your first time seeing my video on the internet, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you know that I'm adding any value to you, okay, please do that. It helps the algorithm. Now once you click on reward rush, it's going to take you either to someone's YouTube channel to subscribe, or to like their video, or to comment under their video, tell them what you feel about the video they created on YouTube, or they might take you to someone's Telegram channel so you can join the Telegram channel. You know, those kind of simple tasks. That is what they are going to tell you to do. Okay, and it is not hard. Okay, it is not hard. Now this is just the basic things you need to know. Now if you know you want to know further, like you want to know how the sales commission works, all you have to do is to chat to the number you can see on your screen. Once you chat me, I'm going to put you through how you can make a whole lot of money for yourself. Now if you know you haven't registered, you're just hearing Phenom, but you came to YouTube just to know what it is, all you have to do is to chat me using the number I can see on my screen. Or if you can't see the number clearly, I'll put the number on my video description so that you can chat me on WhatsApp. We'll talk on how you can register. Okay, now another thing that make some people wants to register is the fact that you can borrow money on Phenom, right? You can borrow money. You can see here where it says loans. Now don't get it twisted. You can see on the top right corner where you have these three lines. Once you click on it, you're gonna see where it says loans. You're gonna click on loan. Now once you click on loan, you can see here it says you can access up to 100,000 naira. Now you can see once you join Phenom, guys, you can borrow up to 100,000 naira. And why you can borrow up to 100,000 naira is under some circumstance which I will explain to you, but not here on YouTube. Okay, you don't have to submit any collateral. That is the beauty of this platform. You don't need to submit your NIN, BVN, or your ID card, driver license. You don't need to submit any of your personal information. You understand? And they're gonna give you this loan up to 100,000 naira, and they won't rush you to pay. They will only give you a grace of paying 3% every month. Okay, 3% every month. I mean, that is very, very fair for the average Nigerians, right? So if you know you're interested, you want to know more, all you have to do is to chat the number you can see on your screen. I'm gonna put you through everything step by step. See you guys. Peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay.